Did you know that Milford Sound, despite its name, is not actually a sound, but a fjord carved by glaciers over millions of years? It is known as the eighth wonder of the world and is one of New Zealand's most iconic natural attractions. The underwater ecosystem of Milford Sound is unique, with layers of tannin-stained freshwater floating atop saltwater, creating a habitat for unusual marine life, and receives an astonishing average rainfall of about 182 days a year, resulting in numerous cascading waterfalls, including the famous Stirling Falls. Plus, the sound is home to an array of wildlife, including seals, dolphins, and the rare Fiordland Crested Penguin. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.